Hi, I hope you all are doing good. Today we will be doing our Python tutorial number 5. Here I will be introducing you all to dictionaries. Dictionaries is a form of storing data in Python using the key and a value pair. We'll start with how we denote a dictionary. For that, we will be using our first variable x and denoting it as a dictionary. A dictionary is always represented in the curly brackets. Here, the first variable, the first letter that we put, the word that we put in the dictionary is the key of the dictionary, key number one, and we will be assigning to it the first value. Here it will be Karan. Then there will be the second key that will be the age. Here we will be assigning a value of 24. So here we can see a dictionary can store any form of data. It can be string, it can be boolean, it can be integer, it can be float. Any form of data can be stored in this dictionary. Now we will be using the print function to see what comes out of our dictionary. When we run the print function, a dictionary will look like this in the Python framework. Now, in order to go specific within the dictionary, we will do like this. Then we will insert rectangular brackets in order to get a specific value of a specific key. Here you see that you get a specific value of the specific name key. Now, after that, we can also use the get function instead of writing this. So the whole statement remains the same except for the fact that we are using the get function here. So print x dot get. Now we can use again the name, and we will surprisingly see the same thing being repeated. So it's a different way of writing. I generally prefer this as it is more simpler and easier to understand and use. Now we will be starting with the list of dictionaries. In the list of dictionaries, we generally have a list which has multiple dictionaries within it. So here we will be denoting another variable z. And again, a list is represented in the form of rectangular brackets. Then we will be introducing our first dictionary in the form of curly brackets. We'll write name is equal to again as current, age as 24. Then we will be introducing another dictionary within it. We'll be writing name as the first key, Raj. Then we will introduce age as the second key. Then we'll write 24. These are two dictionaries that we have put into our system. Now we will use the print function. Now we'll use print the comma z. Here you get two dictionaries, right? In the form of a list. So this rectangular brackets, these will denote the list, whereas the curly brackets denote the dictionary. Now let's repeat this first dictionary x, and now at this moment we want to add a new variable, a new key value pair to the dictionary. How will we do that? Simple, just write the print function, then write a new thing such as today, like specialization, you can say. So here I can write Python as my specialization. So here I have just assigned a new key and a value to the dictionary. Now when we run, I again use the print function to see the output of my dictionary. Now we run, we see a new variable named specialization has been added in the existing dictionary. Now if we have to edit, so this was for adding a new key value pair in the dictionary. Now if we have to amend amend the key value pair, then for that we'll use the same thing again, x name as the key, just change the value. Earlier it was current, now let's make it Singh. Okay, now when we print our dictionary, we get a new dictionary like this. Here you see earlier name was current, now the name is Singh. Now we will move to understanding the use of for loop in the dictionaries to extract the key value pair. The for loop function is generally used. For that, we need to remember something, that we need to use the function dot items so that it can differentiate between the keys and the values in the dictionary. For keys, comma value. Here you can write anything, any two variables such as x, comma y, anything. Here for the purpose of making it easy to understand, I'm writing for keys, comma value in x dot items. Print. Here you see when you put enter directly, since it's a for loop, indentation will be there of four spaces. Print keys. Print values. You see, turn by turn. First name, then value. Then again, then second name, second key, second value. Third key, third value. That's how indentation and loop works in Python. Thank you. All the notes have been provided in my GitHub link. Thank you. Have a great day.